Namaskar, myself Umesh Shelar. Welcome in my YouTube channel. I came here to introduce you my village cultural activity Vakratunda Mahakarya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvigham Kurume Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada. In this festival we are going to see how the village people are celebrating their Ganesh festival, how they are enjoying their life during the Ganesh festival, how the farmer enjoying the Ganesh festival, and how they are praying Ganeshas, and how they are enjoying their culture. Ganesh festival started by the great Indian freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak. The main goal of Lokmanya Tilak behind this festival is to fight against English government for the freedom of India, for the culture of India, for the freedom of every person. Now we are going to see how the people praying Lord Ganesha. We generally called as Aarti. Let's see the beautiful sound of musical instrument with a prayer of Lord Ganesha. जय मंगल मूर्ति ओ श्री मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव लंबोदर पीतांबर परिवर वंदना सरसुंड वक्रतुंड मेना सहस्रा माता मठाए सदना संकटी पावावे निर्वाणी रक्षावे सुरवर वंदना जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति ओ श्री मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव आरती ओ आलू तुझ कपूर गौरा जय देव कपूर गौरा बोला नैनी विशाला अर्धांगी पार्वती सुमनांचा माला विभूतीचे उदलान शतकंठ नीला ऐसा शंकर शोभे उन्मावे गला जय देव जय श्री शंकरा ओ स्वामी शंकरा आरती ओ आलू तुझ कपूर गौरा जय देव देवी दत्त सागर मंथन पे केले कामाचे औषध हलर सापडले कृत्वा सुरपणे भाषण केले नीलकंठ नाम प्रसिद्ध झाले जय देव जय श्री शंकरा ओ स्वामी शंकरा आरती ओ वालू तुझ कपूर गौरा जय देव जगमर कनिवर्धन सुंदर मजनारी पंचांगन मनमोहन भजन सुधारी शतकोटी जय बीज वाचे उचारी रसोटी लखराम दासांतरी जय देव जय श्री शंकरा ओ स्वामी शंकरा आरती ओ वालू तुझ कपूर गौरा जय देव. In my village, every group of people enjoying this activity. Let's see how the women enjoy this culture. Balada. Young boys like to dance very much. They are enjoying activity. While dancing, they are singing different songs. In the central boys playing different musical instruments while dancing. Let's enjoy this dance.
Oh,
let's see the wonderful moment of Ganesh festival, which is Visarjan. This is a proudful moment for the people while sending Lord Ganesha in the water which is near of the village, such as lake, dam, river, etc. It feels very proudly while sending Lord Ganesha in the available source of water. While going to Visarjan, people not carrying their footwear. This is the one type of sadhana. This is wonderful experience of all the people. This is a wonderful life of village in the India. This is a wonderful life of children and enjoying this moment in the name of Sri Ganesha. Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria, पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या. In the name of Ganesha, we are enjoying this activity. And last date of this festival is to send this Ganesha in the water. Let's see how the people sending Ganesha in the water. This is the available source in my village of water. With my friends enjoying this moment and sending this Lord Ganesha in the water. They are feel very proud in such moment, and all other people also enjoying this moment. What a beautiful moment in their life. They saying in this time to come again Lord Ganesha in the next year and give them such a happy life. So friends, we have enjoyed my village cultural activity Ganesh festival. Thank you for watching this video.